Hello po. Hello.
Hello? Boss, nasa kayo banda?
Dito sir, kung saan po kayo nakapin?
Nasa
Dito
kayo
sa
banda?
Cypress Tower po. Sa ano sir? So yung kung saan kayo nakapin? Dito sa Cypress Tower mismo.
Cypress Tower.
Oh, dito sa may
Cypress Tower.
may video.
Foreigner kasi na yun.
Oh.
Police to. Hindi, police kasi ito, brother, yung foreigner na assist lang din namin. Kasi yung foreigner nag-team.
Ay,
Cypress Tower.
teka lang sir. Kayo yung sa may mobile po, yung mobile na police. Kayo itong nasa may mobile po.
Oo.
Ito lang sir, sa unahan ako sir, sa unahan.
Sige.
Sige, atras ko lang po
Okay,
konti.
okay,
Sige po.
Thank you. Nice to see you too. Thanks.
Morning ma'am, you go to Terminal 3?
Yeah, I think I fly with. I don't know. Do you know the airline?
Yeah. What your airline? Because only two terminal we have international flight. Terminal 1 and Terminal 3.
Can I show you my flight? I don't know if you.
May see?
But it's this one.
Hello.
This is my flight.
Ninoy Aquino. Why? Terminal 3?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
There we go.